Hi, I'm Vishwa and welcome to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the Bosch 350-litre silver frost-free double-door refrigerator KDN43V S20i. You can also buy the KDN43V R30i in violet color or go for KDN30V S20i, the 290-litre frost-free double-door refrigerator in silver. This refrigerator is a smart piece of modern technology. Its robust German build quality needs no further explanation. It is smart, convenient, spacious and provides the most user-friendly experience. This Bosch Series 4 refrigerator is deployed with FreshSense technology. Equipped with high-tech sensors and electronic system controls, they interact in a way that the temperature is controlled precisely under all conditions. This in turn keeps your food fresh for a longer period of time and avoids the bad food odor. Next is the VitaFresh technology that controls the humidity in the cabinet. Usually your food gets soggy and wet, but with VitaFresh, your food is protected from all this mess. It keeps your fruits and vegetables fresh for a longer time. Apart from all this, you can easily remove the front cover of the vegetable box and wash it conveniently. This fridge is also deployed with door air with multi-airflow. These two airflow chambers interact in such a way that everything in your fridge stays optimally cool. The next feature is truly unique. You will not find it in most of the refrigerators in this category. It is called AirFresh Filter, which prevents the food odor to mix with another and keeps the taste as fresh as new. The next very interesting feature for this fridge is the Super Freeze. When you activate the Super Freeze before refilling your refrigerator, the temperature does not rise undesirably. It rises gradually, evenly and prevents sensitive food items like fruits and leftovers from early spoilage and bad odor. The next feature makes this fridge the smartest of the lot. It takes care of your food items automatically and without any supervision when you are away. It's called Automatic Holiday Mode. This feature gets activated automatically when the door is not opened for 8 hours straight. It defrosts and recools the cabinet. Low voltage or any fluctuation between 135 to 290 volts will never challenge the efficiency of this Bosch refrigerator as it comes with the low voltage startability option. This feature ensures smooth running of the refrigerator with long-lasting cooling retention even under unstable power supply. Apart from all these groundbreaking novelties, this fridge is equipped with height-adjustable glass shelves, removable and movable ice tray, door bin with bottle guards, bright LED and the 90-degree door opening.
What's more, this machine comes with a 1-year warranty and a 10-year warranty on the compressor.
So viewers, my final thoughts on the Bosch 350-litre silver frost-free double-door refrigerator KDN43V S20i are truly positive. It is developed very carefully for Indian consumers. Features like FreshSense technology, VitaFresh, door air with multi-airflow and AirFresh filter make Bosch Series 4 best-in-class refrigerator for a perfect Indian household. The automatic holiday mode is a genuine effort to make this fridge a smart cooling monster. So are you still thinking? Come and join the Flipkart family, sit back and relax. We assure quick doorstep delivery, a hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products and an assured brand warranty. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.